Hi, this is Easy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to unarchive chat on Telegram. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Archiving chats doesn't mean that you delete the chat. Rather, it's a way to hide them so that they are not visible on the main screen. On my previous video, I've shown you how to archive chat on Telegram. And now, what if you want to show the chat again? You want to unarchive the chat? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Telegram. Now you can go to the archive chat list. You can go to the all chats on here, and you'll find there is a archive chat on the top of your chat list. You can just tap on that. But if you can't find this archive chat on the top of your chat list, maybe it like this, you can't find it. You can just tap and hold on your screen like this and swipe it down like this. Now you can release to open the archive chat. The archive chat will be appear on your Telegram. Now you can open the archive chat. You can choose the chat that you want to unarchive. For example, I will choose this one. You can tap and hold. Now you can tap on the upper right corner, the three dots over here. There is an option unarchive. You can just tap on that. So the chats will be appear on your main list chat on your Telegram. It's so simple, right? So that is how to unarchive chat on Telegram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!